Okay, Carol, it's our last night in Galapagos,
Okay.
and we've had a great vacation.
Wonderful. I
What
really
was-
enjoyed meeting you.
Anything special about your vacation that you want to tell about? A favorite place?
I don't know. I liked it all. I have to say, the scenery was spectacular on the mainland of Ecuador.
Yeah,
I'd have to encourage anyone to go.
we both
I
went
agree.
to Peru, and we believe that the southeast part of Ecuador exceeded Peru.
Really?
Yeah,
I've never
It
been
was-
to Peru.
It was when we were in the
Did you
area
like
of
the ruins?
Baños and those mountains, it was incredible.
A great trip, right?
And the basket ride.
Yes.
Yeah.
I did like that. That
So
was
why don't
fun.
you tell everybody about boot camp, Anna?
My zip line adventure?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll hold the camera.
No,
while you
that's
talk.
all right. I'm going home with war wounds. Everybody will know it. I think I'm in the military, yes.
There you go. There you go.
And Joey really, he lied to me on
And here's Claudia.
Hello.
Hi, Claudia. It's our last night.
Don't make me cry.
So did you have a good
It
vacation?
was awesome.
Anything special?
Oh, the last few days, obviously, just being around so much wildlife and it being more relaxing in some ways. than the
Oh,
rest
yeah,
of the
in
trip.
some ways, in every way.
Well, we still did a lot of walking and a lot of sweating, so that
Yes.
wasn't necessarily relaxing.
That's true. That's
Oh,
true.
My feet hurt.
All right, well,
But no, and then the company, obviously.
yes,
been a great
we did.
group.
We enjoyed meeting everybody. Okay, here's her travel buddy, Sandy.
Hi, everything Claudia said was true. That's what I was going to say.
Oh, that's a cop-out.
But I enjoyed meeting all of you, and it was fun that we all traveled together in Ecuador and then again in the Galapagos. So it was really cool to travel with a big group of people in the Galapagos.
It was fun. It was a good group. Okay, Jane, come on, you're up, girl.
You called us the lovebirds ever since
Yes.
you met us.
I'm jealous. Believe me, I'm very jealous. That's all that means.
No, we've had a great time. It's been a wonderful tour and enjoyed meeting everybody. And,
We had
very
fun.
good.
All right, the other half of the Lovebird act.
I'm just here because she booked the trip.
Spoken like a true man. I love it.
That was good. And finally, Kathy, my travel buddy.
Oh God, what can I say? This trip has been fabulous. The company's been fabulous. That's our new word,
Fabulous.
I think one of the things, aside from being in the Galapagos and the amazing animals and everything we saw on these excursions that we did, I think this group has been great, and I'm fascinated by the cross section of America that
Yes.
we've had with us.
Yeah, we did. We had a little bit
I truly
of
enjoyed it.
every region was represented, right?
Yep, I think pretty much.
Coast, and the Heartland.
Okay, now your turn.
All right, thanks.